Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Sentry to React app on Vercel step by step clearly. To connect Sentry to your React app on Vercel, follow these simple steps. First, log into your Sentry account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, create a new project and select React as the platform. In the setup process, Sentry will provide you with a DSN or data source name. Keep this DSN handy, as you will need it later. Next, open your React application in your code editor. In the terminal, navigate to your project directory. Install the Sentry SDK by running the command npm install at sentry/react at sentry/tracing. Once the installation is complete, open your main JavaScript file, typically index.js or app.js. Import Sentry by adding the line import * as Sentry from @sentry/react. After importing, initialize Sentry by calling sentry.init and passing in an object. In that object, set the DSN property to the DSN you copied earlier. Optionally, you can configure additional settings, such as environment and traces sample rate. For example, you might set traces sample rate to 1.0 for 100% of transactions. Now, wrap your main component with Sentry's error boundary. This will help catch any errors in your React components. For instance, you can write sentry.errorBoundary fallback equals your fallback component / in your render method. Make sure to replace your fallback component / with your actual fallback UI. Next, to test the integration, introduce a deliberate error in your component. You can do this by throwing an error in a lifecycle method or directly in the render method. Deploy your React app to Vercel by committing your changes and pushing to your repository. Visit your Vercel dashboard and check the deployment status. Once deployed, trigger the error you introduced in your app. Return to your Sentry dashboard to see if the error has been logged successfully. You should now see the error details and stack trace in your Sentry project. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Sentry to your React app on Vercel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.